As a mom, we're expected to cook, master schedules, entertain, work, be a nurturer, disciplinarian. How can we do it all and still make sure we're staying healthy and doing our best? Dr. Danite Haller is with Arizona Natural Health Center and has some great tips. It's so good to see you. Thanks for being here. I'm sure you do hear it as moms. I mean, we do feel a little stressed out sometimes. It's a tough job. It's the hardest job.
I would agree, actually. It is a wonderful job and rewarding, but it's hard and it's stressful. And that stress takes a toll on us as mothers. And it can affect our way of being. We can become irritable or on edge and just not the best version of ourselves and make us feel like sometimes we're just surviving.
Yeah, and sometimes we think there's something wrong with us, and there's not. So you're kind of here to say we shouldn't just survive motherhood, you can thrive through motherhood.
I'm passionate about helping mothers thrive in motherhood because then they can get the joys of being a mother more often. So I've come up with 3 simple tips, and I'm really bringing it back to basics, because in these basics you get the most bang for your buck, if you will, as far as feeling better and more vital. So the first area is simple. It's sleep.
I'm laughing because I know people with toddlers are probably like, sleep? What's that?
I know it. It is the most potent form of medicine, truly.
Yes.
And studies are so clear that people who are deficient in sleep have difficulties making decisions, being creative, feeling joy, being able to control our emotions and our behavior. These sound like things we need to be doing as a mother, right? Is to be able to do those things. And so the good news is it takes a little bit more sleep to feel a lot better.
Okay.
30 minutes more. Get to bed maybe a little bit earlier. Take a nap. I do have sometimes my mother patients say, oh, I'd love to fall asleep at night once the day is done, but I can't shut my mind off.
Right, and is this what these are for? So, some natural things we can take?
Yes, these patients of mine, what I'll do with them is one of 2 things. One, I'll do homeopathy, which makes the body more resilient to stress, and you're more able to thrive in stress. Or I'll use a natural combination product that might have some phosphatidylserine in it and other herbs. And what this product does is help the body down-regulate the stress hormone that we've been pumping all day.
Gotcha.
And at night, you might feel that wired and tired feeling. Well, this product and products like these will help you down-regulate that hormone, metabolize it, be able to fall asleep easier, stay asleep longer, and reach deeper, more nutritive levels of sleep.
And speaking of nutritive, what we eat is very important too. I love the big smoothie vial you have there because I think this is the way to go. Right?
Yes, I feel it is the way to go. And what the quality of the food we put in our bodies results in the quality of energy we get out. So it's a wonderful place to put a little energy to feel better in your day. These are 2 power breakfasts, and these are actually 2 of the things I eat every morning to feel great. And this is a fruit and vegetable smoothie. The recipe's on the website. Great hit of nutrition in the day. Make it on the go, in the car, in a cup.
Yes.
Easy to do. This is a whole grain slice of toast with almond butter and jelly. Again, another easy thing to grab in the morning.
And your tip, you told me earlier, I love that you get this ready the night before.
Yeah.
So you just put it in the blender, or blend it, and go out the door.
Yeah, chop it up
that.
like this, throw it in the fridge. I don't have time in the morning to do all that.
Great tip. And the other tip I think you have is that we need to just take a break, right?
Take a break. And it doesn't take a long break, which is good news too. We need to recharge our batteries to be better versions of ourselves and come back to our family more capable of giving to them, which we do all day. Now, what you do on that break depends on what fulfills you most. So for some people, that could be going out with friends and blowing off some steam. Some women say, I need to do yoga. I need a moment to keep my energy to myself, to be present, to stretch and move in a healthy way. For another woman, it might be take a nap.
Yeah, and you don't have to be guilty if you do it. Don't feel guilty that you took time out for yourself. I think a lot of moms are like, I should be helping him with this, but I need a break. It's okay.
Your kids need for you to be better.
Yes.
When you're better, their experience of you is better. And so that's why I say lose the guilt.
Yes, very important. And you have a special promotion, too, for folks who want to take the next step so they start feeling better, moms who want to come see you and think, you know what, I kind of need some help here.
At the center, we do have a promotion. We have free 15-minute consults. This allows people to call in and chat with a doc and say, hey, is this for me? Can you help me? What would you do and how would it go? Because I want people to feel good about the decisions they make in their health care.
That's wonderful that you offer that too so they can ask for your opinion and advice. Thank you so
You're
much
welcome.
for joining us. Some great tips here, things that we really need to be mindful of every single day.
Agreed.
So we appreciate you sharing that with us.
Thanks for having me.
So if you would like more information on Arizona Natural Health Center, please go to their website. It's aznaturalhealth.com, or you can call the number you see right there on your screen.